Well, hello! Welcome back to the shop. We're going to do part 2 of the tubular lower radiator support on the 86 Mustang here. We'll be cutting a little bit with a bandsaw. Like I said in the last video, if you're doing some cutting with metal and you don't have a bandsaw, you probably ought to get one. But anyways, do some cutting, a little tack welding, and you'll see where we end up at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. So that's where we're at. I forgot to shoot an intro to this video, and I messed up and deleted one of my time lapses because you got to be smarter than a camera, which apparently I'm not. But I got everything tacked up, and it's kind of where we're at there. You can kind of see here it comes up around the side of the frame there. It must not be quite in there square because it's not really fitting, but it's just tacked for now. It's not really welded to the car. But yeah, so here we are on this side. So that's where we're at. Got the radiator brackets down there. I ended up just using some 1-inch 1-inch by 8th flat bar, just a couple 90s onto it. Chamfered the edges, and that should hold the radiator. I got some rubber pieces that should go in there just fine. Hold the bottom of the radiator. Then I might be able to come off the front here to hold the condenser. I'm going to have to go find the condenser and kind of mock that in there, but that's where we're at. So yeah, after that awesome time lapse that I did there, and like I said, I had more of a time lapse, but I screwed up and deleted one of the files. That's what we're left with. The bottom's kicked out a little bit. You probably can't see it. I'm shooting this on my little action camera because I don't know where my big camera is at the moment. But yeah, the bottom's kicked out just a little bit, so I might zap the brackets off on the bottom and kick them back a little bit. But it's also, I don't know if it's in there square or not. I'll have to do some more measuring before I weld it to the car. I just got the floor jack holding it up for now, but I like it. I think it looks pretty good. And I saved, I was wrong before. I said that the Team Z one was 180 bucks, but it's 160. So you know, if you just looking for quick and dirty, then that's probably the way to go versus building one yourself. But that's where we're at with that. You can see there. You can see probably the accrement on the radiator, which probably wouldn't hurt anything. But going to all this to make it square and straight and whatever, then probably should cut those brackets off and kick them back a little bit so the radiator stands straight up. But I can do that. I can do that. So anyways, that's where we're at, and was going to do this in just a part 1 and a part 2, but just got called, got to go to work, so I will end this there, and there will be a part 3 when I finish this up. But yeah, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. You think there's something I could do better, you see something that I screwed up, which, you know, is probably the case. But anyways, thanks for watching.